That's what you need to roll in for this next transition. That's the best part about it. This is fun.
Hello people, I'm Battrick and it's raining. It's the first time it's rained in a very long time, which is quite refreshing. So I thought I'd come out and do some parkour. So I'm just waiting for my friend Sacha. And we're going to hit up some roofs and see what we can do. Take you along with us.
Good way to walk. We're playing a game of stick and these look sodden. Oh, are you sure?
Yeah?
I don't think you're sure.
So, just a standing precision from here to there.
Normally easy.
I think if you go up and come down, or no, hit it and roll onto it.
Which one are you going to go for?
I'm going to hit it and roll on.
Oof. Perfect. That was perfect. Yeah. Grippy that, isn't it? I just slipped walking onto it. Oh! It's actually, when you come at it like at a certain angle, it's fine.
Yeah. Set. What are you thinking?
It's very limited when it's raining. At this spot anyway.
Yeah.
Because I don't want to like, there's other things we can do. There's like running hurdles and stuff, but I do not trust myself.
Yeah.
I'm like, run, come like more at like a low height. I like bash my head or something.
Your knickers.
Bright and light. Keep your knickers on, I've got a set.
Yo.
That's an S for you, mate. Yeah. Ooh, what happened? Oh, could have been a shinner. Lovely. Oh, I licked the lens.
So we've skipped to go because I slipped, so now it's Sacha's set. Now it's my set. We're going to grab our rucksacks and I've got something scary for us.
Oh, you've got the same bag, that's welcome. Yeah, scary.
Give it a bash. So we've aborted the original plan, which was from there to there, because there's someone in that window. So we're going to go from here to here. It's less scary, but it's still kind of scary because it's wet. Right, I'll go first.
It's so wet, right? That's what I was thinking, like with your hands it's just going to be sodden. Try and dino up and fall backwards.
This is so slippery. It's fucked. that one. Everything was so slippery on there. This wall's alright because it's clean and it's lovely. But that wall is like green, mossy shit. So we're just gonna go straight to the roof, yeah?
Yeah.
So we're up here looking for some runs to do. And I've switched to the GoPro because it's just so wet and it's raining so much now. So I didn't want to risk getting my other camera out. Sacha's down there. Oh, brutal. Okay, so this is what we're working with.
That's what you need to roll in for this next transition. That's the best part about it.
Lovely. You alright? Yeah.
This is fun.
How was it?
Yeah, it's fun. I reckon I'll be out your way.
Sick. Alright, should we go for a one bang?